What is going on, guys? I'm back. I was on vacation because we made a cling on last bull. So what I'm seeing right now on the chain is Let's Bonk, which is the launchpad of Bonk. They have a lot of tools. I love their everything. They got like their pooper scooper or whatever to do, like scooping your shit coins on your wallet. They got these kind of stuff, and like they decided to fight with Pump.fun. So, and as I'm seeing right now, they're kind of winning it because 80% of the tokens are coming from their launchpad. We will dig into that, but right now, I just want to try what's going on there, and like I just want to try it on my own SPL instead of their tool. I will do the same thing, but I will just create an SPL token instead of using their whatever the launchpad is, the Let's Bonk thing, right? Once we get familiar with this thing, I'm gonna do like different launches on that platform. But right now, I'm seeing an opportunity because they're only adding Bonk at the end of their tokens. That's the misspell token, nothing more than that. So I'm doing the same thing. To do that, I chose a token. That token has like everything in it as data, like every other SPL token. There's nothing different on Let's Bonk coins. It's like just an SPL token, and they don't have their swap yet. So they're using Raydium. So it's just like the old version of Pump.fun. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take every information from the coin I chose, and they don't have that much of information. I'm seeing it says Bonk.fun as website. Doesn't make sense. So let me copy that and paste that IPFS first, and let me mute my phone. A lot of notifications going in there. So I got this IPFS and image link. I got the symbol and the token name, and I'm gonna leave the description part because they don't have it on their IPFS. So I'm gonna leave it as blank, right? I'm not gonna do anything with it. As image, I took the image from IPFS link and I'm saving it locally for my further use. So the next thing is going to be like creating the SPL token. There are some tools for creating SPL tokens. Oh, but actually they updated their information, so we got the website. Let me check the website. It's good. Nothing like not a lot of information there. So on my new token, people wouldn't like go deep into that website, right? So I copied and pasted, but I didn't paste it through because it got the contract address. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and turn your notifications on. It's very important for me. Please support the channel so I will make more videos. Now I'm back. I'm gonna make more videos. Please support me. Thank you already. All right. So this is the tool I mostly use because they have whitelisted first. They're whitelisted and they have like a lot of functions in it, right? This tool is like different from the other ones. The other ones like they're very suspicious and they have weird type of looking. I can't just explain it, but like once you get into that tool, this is like a proper one, right? And it doesn't have any warnings, so it's safe. So I'm adding every information of my coin. The supply is like I'm leaving it as it is. Authority options, it is like mentor thing. I know that I have to do it because every Bonk coin or like any coin, they don't have the authority of changing things, really important things. So I'm just confirming that transaction right now. So I'm paying some fees for that. And Bonk.fun creating an SPL. You're welcome the update. And this pops up, and I can really check everything on the chain, user-friendly interface. So this is the tokens account, and there's the transaction says it's minted, so it's good to go. So I can just copy that from token address, or just directly click on that create liquidity pool. So as base token, I'm gonna go with the token I copied already, and as a code token, I'm gonna use Solana, right? And there's a warning. It says you need to have 0.4 Solana remaining in your wallet balance. Like, it's because you need to have it for fees. So this is very important. I'm deleting like 2 zeros and adding 6 and 9 to make my token look exactly like coming from Bonk. That's the reason. I created the liquidity pool. I didn't choose to create the liquidity on Pump swap because it doesn't make sense. Bonk coins are on Raydium, not on Pump swap. Transaction is successful, and I'm most of the time I'm burning some liquidity pool, and that still has it. So I'm just burning like 10% of the liquidity to make my token look even more safe and legit. This is the result of my launch. I think we got some buys at the beginning. There are some bots, and then they sold some amount, nothing important, and I burned that liquidity, and more people just bought. At the end, I got 9.80 at 9.53 on my liquidity, but like someone just sold, so I got like 9 point something. I could do things with that. I could create a Telegram group and rate on the other launch, or I could market it in different direction. I could just add new Dexscreener information. I could just tell them like, this is a CTO. Lots of things I could do for marketing. I will do more videos about that. But this is how much I made on this video. If I was going to do some educational activities, but I'm not really going to do it. So that's it for me today. Thank you for watching, and peace out. I'll be posting more videos, so don't forget to like. And if you're not a subscriber, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn your notifications on. This is very important for me. Please support the channel so I'll make more videos. Thanks.